Hey, oh my goodness. Let's go ahead and hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shanalee. You're here on It's Me, Shanalee, where I usually do a lot of fun things, but today it's also fun. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shanalee. And yes, it's me, Shanalee. I'm here today and we're gonna do makeup. Of course, we're gonna do some wiggle right now. So I do have my lights and I do have some new makeup. I'm so excited. Also, it's like really bright. Where I called it, that one cold day that we had in New York got me sick. That one cold day that it was like a low of 30. I am just doing this for fun and it feels a little bit weird. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not going anywhere. We're not leaving the house, but I am gonna do a full glam. I just want to test out this makeup and do it accurately how I would on my face. And yes, oh, where we left off, right? And then I tucked it away somewhere and I took it out and it's so cute. Look how adorable. And look, did you see when I walked away, like a dress, but like I'm wearing it as like lounging. I don't know why I always do twirls. All right. Like the back of a drawer. Working 9 to 5. Oh, that was a terrible. Working 9 to 5. Trying to make a living. I have to go back to Dollar General because they have like a whole Dolly section. Have you seen the Dolly collaboration? Like the home, it's like dish towels. It's a lot of like knicky-knackies, like mugs. I also thrifted a t-shirt that I gotta show you. I don't know, it made me really excited. Like I haven't felt excited for a package in a long time, but this one, I'm so excited. I'm just patting this in. I watched Casper the other day and I love it. I love the classics. Like I am such a hardcore 90s baby. It's unreal. Do you hear that sticky forehead? Yeah, well, I'm sorry. I'll never do that again, I promise. This is my favorite blush and I hope to never run out, but I know that day will come. Just gonna, oh my gosh, wait, I'm using a blush. Oh shoot. Okay, let's just pretend that didn't happen. Oh crapple. Guys, I almost just ruined the whole thing. Every day this eyebrow gives me a hard time. I don't know why she's so difficult. Right now. What's happening to my eyebrows right now? Why are they like all over the place? I don't know why I like the smell of mascara. But we're gonna use it and yeah, let's just test this out, I guess. I did set my eyelids a little bit too much, but we're not going to talk about it. Okay. Wow, I really love what that did to my lashes. Can you see the difference? All right, package, right? All right, before my camera battery dies. Recycle. Vegan, cruelty free. Oh, we trying this. We doing this. Okay, let's do deep N. I love that they give you this little tester thing. That's amazing. Lots of paper. The truth we all believe in. Boy, you're mine. No, let me stop. outlive. Okay. This is so pretty. On a serious note, this is so beautiful. I'm obsessed with the cherry blossom theme. It would be really cool if it smelled like cherry blossom, but that's just me. I'm just a very like I kind of like when my base products smell good. Very pretty. I will literally have this on display in my pink closet. As you know, I have a pink closet in my pink room. I am working on getting like a shelf here, so maybe I will kind of put that in the background. I know it's hard to see because my lights are a little bright today. Of vibrant blushes that deliver a cherry blossom inspired flush, a blurring matte, a luminous topper, and a melange of highlight and matte tones can be layered together or worn alone to customize a unique cheek look. There's Perfectly Pink, Glimmer in the Sky, and Lovelier. Wicked for Good, only in theaters. Ooh, this packaging though is like texture. Yeah, this feels nice. Ooh. For Glinda, in a way, for her vanity. Ooh, oh, that is so nice. Can you see this? I love the flower pressed into there. Ooh! Oh, it is like softening too. It makes like a soft blur. This one, Lovelier, and I'm gonna put it on my nose. There's like a little pink iridescent. And we're gonna put it on top. Ooh, it's a beautiful, shimmery, peachy. Here, is this better? I don't know. Is this a little more true to color? I can't tell. Oh, this is like one of the best blush palettes I've experienced in a while. This makes me excited for makeup again. And I know this lighting's a little janky, but I'm trying to make it so that you can see what I'm doing, if that makes any sense. The new Wicked Elphaba lip oil. It is called So Popular Peach Adaptive Lip Oil. And as you can see here, that is what it looks like. And it's in the shade So Popular, yeah. And it's like up here on the little thing. I'm fully obsessed. Did you just see what that did? Ariana, I think I did put a little bit too much. Peach. I think I'm a little tired of peach. This one is on the edge of peach. It's like, it's more of a strawberry type of color is what I would call it. Maybe like a watermelon type of color. Wow. 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 Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. That's our video for today. Thank you so much for joining me here again. It's me, Shanalee, and you're here on It's Me, Shanalee. And subscribe, join the Fig Fam. We welcome everybody here and spread nothing but peace, love, and positivity, yo. Stay healthy, stay well, stay fun, and I will see you in my next video.